This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, is it clear? Any questions? So what do you mean by filter? You got it now?
Yeah,
You understood that what is the
yeah,
filtering?
got it. Yeah, I understood.
Yeah, here you can see that this is also nothing but a filtering. Which kind of data you want to see, that mobile accessories, laptop accessories, TV, audio, camera. So you can go for choose that which one you want to be selected. The related information we can see in the next in the window. Okay, once you selected, these are all different types of category we have it. Under the category we have these many items. Okay, which category you want to go for, choose it. I can click on music and instruments. Under the music and instrument, what are different products are there, those are all we can get it. Okay, yeah. So just I want you to be more understanding about the filters. I shown this example. Now we can go for see that we can how we can apply the filter on our visualization. How we can go for apply filter on our visualization, right? So I want to build a visualization which I can show that sales. Okay, sales I can take it, and customer, I want to take the customer and sales. So what we can get it, each customer wise sales in the visualization, each customer wise sales in the visualization. Can you see that we have the each customer wise what was the sales. So I want to filter that the customers who bought that in recent year, latest year. What are the year we have it? Orders are given in the recent year. So I can take that the year part we can get it from order date. Drag the order date into filter shelf. Drag the order date into filter shelf. Okay. So I want to filter by year, right? Select the year. Okay. Select the year in this window. Click next. Okay, so what are the years of data we have it? 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022. I want to see only 2022 data, latest year. What is the latest years of sales we have it? Who are the customers are there in that particular year? I want to see it. Okay, just I can select a 2022, apply. Okay, can you see? Now we can see only 2022 data. Only 22 data. Who are the customers bought different kind of, they given different kind of orders, the order wise sales, what are the customers are there, and what is the sales order they given, what is the total sales order they given. Okay, on the 2022. So I want to show that dynamically select that filter here. Once you put it the hold on here, just go for here more options, show filter option is there. Okay, show filter option. So you can select it, which year data you want to see that, which year data, all years of data you want to see that. Go for select all years of information. All means you can get all total 4 years of data. What is the particular year you want to go for? You can just select that. Okay, I want to see only 2021 data. Select 2021. You want to see only 2022 data? Select 2022. So based on this selection of year, the report can be changed. Based on year you selected, the related customers and their sales values we can get in the visualization. So this is nothing but a filtering. This is nothing but a filtering. Okay, is it clear? Any questions?
Yeah.
Yeah. So can we apply only one filter? Can we apply only one filter? More than one. We can apply more than one filter. Suppose I want to see that the customers who are related to that east region. the customers in 2022, who are the customers are there in East region, and what was the revenue of them, what was the sales of them. Okay, 2022 East region customers information. So can I go for check that region field where we have that region field, and I can drag the region into filter shell. Okay, I can select the East region, click apply. Okay, so now the report is showing that 2022 East region customers sales information. Okay, let me go for show you that show filter. Right mouse on that particular region filter, show filter option. Okay, so here you can see 2022 East region. I want to see 2022 East and Central region. Select the Central as well. You can get East and Central region, both the regions data. Who are the customers are there in both the regions, East and Central region. Okay, whatever the combination you wanted, you can select it. 2022 South region customers information. Who are the customers belongs to South region, and what was the sales of them? What was the sales of them? Clear? All right. So now, what are the different types of?
So we need to upgrade the
Yeah, yeah. Any question? All right. Go for new sheet. Something how to say it. Something about to say. What I want to do. All right, got it. So, what are the different types of? The first question is, what are the different types of filters in Tableau? Before going to that, all the filter types, what are the different types of filters in Tableau? Can anyone tell me what are the different types of filters? What are the different types of filters we have it?
Sir, context filter.
Okay, these are the different types of filters we have it. Extract filter, data source level filter, measure filter, okay, and context filter, user filter. These are the different types of filters we have. Okay, when the person asks you that what are the different types of filters in Tableau, you need to say this all in the order. The order also important. Say that in the order. When we go for the filter order execution, what is the order of your filter execution? You need to say this order. Okay, and once you can go with this order is context filter will move on to the topmost position. Okay, it is not in this order. It will be here. Okay, it will be here context filter in the order of execution. Context filter in the third position. Extract filter, data source level filter, context filter, dimension filter, measure filter, and user filters, right? So there is no other option, you need to be by heart it. Okay, this question, without this question there is no interview. Okay, they will ask you the each and every interview what is the extract filter, what is the different types of filters in Tableau, what are they. Okay, order of execution, what is the filter order of execution. While they are asking order of execution, okay, so you need to be specify that here a few more functions will be coming to the feature. LOD, fixed LOD, we can say that. Just remember it. Concept I will tell you later. Okay. Fixed LOD will be executed next to the context filter. After dimension filter, we have it include, exclude LODs. Okay. So again, I'm telling you that LOD function. LOD means level of detail. LOD means LOD means level of detail. So what are the different types of functions is we have three types of functions. Three types of functions. Okay. What are the three types of functions we have it? Fixed LOD, fixed, include, exclude. Alright. Three types of functions we have it. Fixed, include, exclude. Is it clear? So just by heart the definitions. LOD means level of detail. We have three types of functions in the LOD: fixed, include, exclude. So syntax, scenarios, I will explain you later. Okay. This is definitions. You need to be answer the definition. Three types of functions we have it. Confidence is important. What are the three types of LODs, or what do you mean by LOD means? You need to say confidently three types of LOD functions we have it. LOD stands for level of detail. So the three types of fixed LOD function, include LOD function, exclude LOD function. The confident way of answering the interview will get impressed. Okay. So if they ask you the syntax, these three functions would be there in the Tableau name itself: include, exclude, fixed. So the functions we can click on the new calculation, we can get the syntax. Okay, I will give you when we go for this particular concept. I will tell you that. Okay, so you got that very three important questions. What is the order of execution? What is the different types of filters? What are the LOD functions? And what are the three types of what is mean by LOD, and what are the three types of LOD functions? Four questions. These four questions you can be answered. If they ask you without my support, you can be answer these questions. Then it will help you, right? So by heart it, or remember how you whatever you do. So this is for life and threat question. You need to be prepare yourself. Okay. It's like extract filter, data source level filter. Other than this, fixed LODs remaining all the filters, right? So these are the different types of filters we have it. So how we can go for filter the data using this all the functions. What is the extract? Anyone can tell me what is mean by extract connection? What is mean by extract connection? Nanendra Kumar, what is mean by extract connection? How many types of connections we have it? What are they in Tableau?
Live connection, extract connections. Two types of connections are there.
Okay,
Live connection and extract connection.
okay,
Uh, Live connections means we can connect directly to database
okay.
for
What is
the data. Extract means extracted data from the data source. The data source like Excel, Notepad. We can extracted the data from data source.
మెట్రో ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఉంటుంది ఆటో తీసుకోవాలి అయితే నాకు ఆ టైంకి ఉంటే చాలు ఎందుకంటే నాకు మీటింగ్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి తీసుకెళ్ళి నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు పెడితే అప్పుడు వస్తే కష్టం ఎవరో నేను అడగను ఎవరిని సందీప్ ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్ళిపోయాను మీకు ఎవరు Hello. Yeah. So what is the extract
Sir.
connection? Yeah. What is the extract
Sir,
connection?
extract connection means we're dumping the data in memory. Uh, we are saving the data in dot hyper format. That means a local system we can save the file.
Okay. Yeah. Extract connection means whatever the data we have in data source, we can extract the data into in memory. We can save it in dot hyper format, right? We can save it in dot hyper format. So live connection means directly interacting with the database. Extract connection means sorry guys. Yeah. So live connection means directly interacting with the database. Okay. Extract connection means extracting the data from database into in memory and saving the data into dot hyper format. Okay. We can go for use that. We can go for use that for the visualization. Okay. Remember it's very important. Try to be remember the definitions. Even if you give the definitions very confidently, our interview is completed 70%. Okay, just go with the definitions. Live connection means directly interacting with the database and getting the data into visualization. Every time, each and every visualization you build in the Tableau, the related Tableau server can send a query to database. Tableau server can send a query to database, fetch the data from database and show into the visualization. The data cannot be saved in the live connection. Data cannot be saved anywhere in the live connection. Data always be there in the database level. Okay, when you go with the extract connection, the data we can extract from database and we save it into in memory in dot hyper format. It's encrypted format. So that is we are going to be use it for the visualization. That's we are going to be use it for the visualization. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. So while you are extracting the data from database to your in memory, if you want to restrict the data, hello, it's me. Yeah. So while we are extracting the data from database to in memory, while we are extracting the data from database to in memory, if you want to restrict the data, if you want to filter the data, then you can go for user extract filter. The first filter is extract filter. The filter which we can apply it while extracting the data from database to our in memory. Okay, the filter which we can apply while extracting the data, the filter we can call it as extract filter. Extract filter. So how we can apply this extract filter? So you can go with the data set. Are we in live connection or extract connection now? I'm in live connection or extract connection now? I'm in live connection or extract connection now?
Connection because of
It's been,
didn't connect a live connection, right?
So till here we have completed the class.
Simple.
Actually, we have completed these topics. From
what are the connection we are in? It's live connection or extract connection? The background voice is getting more. Just reduce that sound a lot.
Yes.
I'm
So
not getting your
in the
voice.
next class you can see.
So we are in live connection or extract connection.
We are in extract, I guess, because we are saving in memory.
Yeah, currently we are in live connection or extract connection. Sample supersource data is there. This is in live connection or extract connection.
This is live extract.
This is
Ex
this is live connection. This is a live connection. So how it will be? See symbolic representation. You just go with the cylinder here. See that cylinder symbol and say that is the extractor live connection. Okay, if you have a single cylinder boxes, it's like a single cylinder on top of circle, that we can call it as a live connection. If you go for, you want to check that, just go with the data source level. Go with the data source level. In bottom left corner we have a data source option. Click on data source, so you can check that it's in live or extract. We are in live connection, right? So we are in the live connection. So how can we say that we are in the live or extract is by seeing this symbol here, dataset symbol. So you can confirm that it's a live or extract. If we have a single one, then we can have that live connection. How we can be extract is right mouse on it, extract data. Click on extract data. Okay. So go for click on extract. Okay, I want to save this into sample superstores 1 dot hyper format. Okay, see that data extract, tableau data extract dot hyper format. It's going to be saved in dot hyper format. Click save. If you already the file name is existed, do you want to be replace it? Yes. Click on yes. Clear now? Can we see that a symbol is changed or not? We have two cylindrical symbols and there is a arrow mark. Aroma. Okay, this is nothing but a extract connection. So you need to be easily recognize that are we in live connection or extract connection. So this is the extract. Can we go for check a data source level? Can you go for a check a data source level? Are we in extract connection or not? The radio button, if it is here live connection, it is highlighted extract connection. Okay, how can we switch it? How can we switch them? Live to extract, extract to live. Okay, simple. You can right mouse on this, use extract. If you go for check this use extract, then it will be extract connection. If we uncheck it, automatically it become a live connection. Automatically it will become a live connection. Just click on uncheck, so it will be live now. Automatically it will be changed. Go for check the data source level, it becomes live connection. Okay, the switching we can do it at from sheet level itself. Okay, going for right mouse in here and use extract. Use extract. So extract symbol you can get it, and when you go for live connection, uncheck this. The symbolic I'm showing again the symbolic representation for live and extract. You need to be recognized very quickly. Okay. So let me show you that the symbolic representation of that is. So suppose you can take this. Okay. You have the circle over here. If it is like this, then live connection. If that symbol will show like this, that's a live connection. Okay. So other than that, if you get the symbol like this, and one more you have it. Okay, and you can get the arrow mark also here. If it is like this, then we can say that it's extract connection. It is extract connection. Can you check it now? Is it extract or live? Extract connection. What is mean by extract connection? Hmm? What is mean by extract connection? What happened? No one is telling me. What is the extract connection? Are you getting my voice?
So dumping the data in memory, sir. Extract connection means.
Yes, can you hear me? Jonathan, I cannot. Navindra, I cannot hear you. Hmm, what happened? Sorry, guys. Can you hear me now?
Sir,
Can you hear me?
extract connection nothing but is a snapshot of data, sir.
Yeah.
Uh,
So the difference, the symbolic representation difference, you got it now?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Uh,
So simply explain that live and extract. How can remember it? If it is there,
Yes, sir.
it's a live connection. It is an extract connection.
if you display the two cylinders, that means extract.
Yes, extract connection.
Yeah. Mm.
Okay. So now
Yeah.
come to that filter. So what we are discussing about extract filter. You can go with the data source level. Once you extracted the data and it is extracted, edit option is there. Okay, or you are creating the newly extract, then you can get it, edit window open, extract window open. There also you can find that filtering. But once you go for extract the data you want to be filtered, specify how much data to extract. So the filter option is here. Okay, the filter option specify how much data you want to be extract. So while you are extracting the data from data source to your in memory, you can apply this filter. You can apply this filter. So filter, add filter. So on top of which field you want to filter the data, which particular data you want to be get into your visualization. So I want to go for order date. Click OK, and year data I want to be filter it. Select the year. Only 2021, 2020 data I want to be extracted. I don't want 4 years of data into my dot hyper file. I want only 2 years of data into my extract, 2021, 2022. So can I go for select these two? Then I can get the data only these 2 years of data into my extract or not. Keeps 2021 and 2022. Keeps 2021 and 2022. Only these 2 years of data we can get into our visualization. Got it? Click OK. So now we are extracted only 2 years of data, that is 2021 and 2022. So can you go for check your report? Can you go for check your reports or filters, whatever you want to be? What will be the result set in that? Can we see only 2021, 2022 here in the filter? Earlier we have 4 years, right? Earlier we have 4 years, 2020, 2019, 2021, 2022. But now we are getting only these 2 years of data because we filtered in the extract level. We filtered in the extract level. So while extracting the data, you can filter it. That's we can call it as the extract filter. Clear? Any questions on extract filter? Is it clear what is the extract filter?
Yes, sir.
While you are extracting, if you apply any filter, that's we can call it as extract filter. Okay. Now, what is the dimension? Before going to the context and other filter type, we can see the what is the dimension filter, what is the measure filter. Any guess? What is the dimension filter and what is the measure filter? Do you have any guess?
All discrete elements are filtered in dimension filters.
Sorry.
All discrete elements we can filter in dimension filter.
Yes. If you filter on discrete elements, if you filter on discrete element, that's we call it as a dimension filter. Okay. If you drag any discrete element into filter shell, if you drag any discrete element into filter shell and you can select something and showing only the related data, that's we can call it as a dimension filter. That's we can call it as a dimension filter. What is the measure filter?
All continuous elements or fact elements we can filter.
Yes. Yes, if you filter the data, if you filter on continuous fields, if you filter on continuous field, I want to drag my cells into filter shell. I want to select the range of cells. So then you can go for do that. That's we can call it as a continuous filter. Let's call it as a measure filter. Sorry, let's call it as a measure filter. Show filter. Okay, show filter. Can we see that how many filters we created? Here first we can select it region, category and sales range. So based on this all the four filters the report is showing these are the customers are satisfying these all four filters. The customers are there in 2022 and the customer belongs to South region and he need to buy a category related technology related product and sum of sales range should be 2022 2240 to 8000. So in between you want it also you can go for select that. Okay, so these are the four filters which we are going to apply for this visualization. Satisfied data is be showing here. So how we can go for take this report into the dashboard is you can go for dashboard. Simply you can drag the sheet into dashboard. Simply you can drag this into dashboard. You can go for bring it into on top of the sheet. Okay, so make it as here. Can you see that? So just adjust it. Just drag and drop and adjust your filter on top of the visualization. Okay, if you go for like this. Okay, you can first select 2021, 2021. The sales range is 959 to 7000. What is there? What the range of the how many customers are there? And those are belongs to only furniture. I can select the furniture related customers and technology. Both you wanted, you can select both. Only I wanted furniture. Select the furniture. And those are related to the south region. These are all the customer belongs to south region. You want to see the east region? Select the east region. Only the customers related to east region. Okay, this is the way you can go for filter your data using the filters. Using the filters. Okay, is it clear?
Clear.
This is the way we can go for filter your data. How we can apply the filter to the visualization. So what is the key role? Filters are playing a key role in the visualization or not? Hmm? will play the key role or not. Filters will play the key role in the visualization. Okay, based on the filters, your data can be changed, right? So, what are the filter types we learned today? Three filter types mainly: extract filter, data, dimension filter, measure filter. Okay, extract filter, dimension filter, measure filter. These three types of filters is clear.
Yes.
Clear.
Okay.
Hello, sir. I have doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what is the difference between extract filter and dimension filter, sir? Actually, extract filter means we took the values from dimension only, no? That means
Yeah.
not values, that column details.
Good question. So,
Column.
but that's we are applying while extract, right?
Yeah,
That's why we
yeah,
can
yeah,
call it as
extract.
extract.
Okay.
That's why we can,
In
we can,
live
we
connect,
can if you filter on
in
dimension
live
field or
connect, dimension.
you filter in dimension field or measure field, but that's you are applying while extracting. That's why we can call it as
Okay,
extract.
okay, okay, sir.
Got it? Yeah. So that's why while you are
Yes.
extracting, we applying there. That's why we can call it as extract. Otherwise, you can go with the context filter. There is no separate filter. Context filter also we can apply on dimension and measures. When you make it as that dimension filter as a context, automatically context filter we can call it as. Okay, the option we selected, that type of filter it will be. Okay, so the filter, what is his question is, while you are going to be data source level editing extract, so year of order date is equal 2021 2022 we are selecting. Year of order date is a dimension field, right? Then it is a dimension filter or extract filter. So the dimension filter, it is a dimension field only, but we are applying this filter while extracting the data. That's why we can call it as extract filter. That's why you can call it as extract filter. Okay, while extracting the data, either you can apply the filter, either it is a dimension field or measure field. If you apply the filter on the extracting, we can call it as a extract filter. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So now the team, there is already report. They ask you to add some columns or add something or something you want to be removed. They will ask you. Okay, 2020 also I need to be add in this order date field. The report is like this. They will ask you to bring the 2020 also into my visualization. They will ask you that bring the 2020 also into visualization. So what you need to do? What can we do that? They have given this kind of report dashboard they shared you. I want to show you 2021 data in the my visualization. Here in the filter itself I want to show the 2020. When I select the 2020 in the here, I want to change my report. So what steps you can take it to add the 2020 into your visualization? My question is clear or not? Is it clear? Is that my question is clear or not? Hmm?
Sir, I didn't get your question. Can you please repeat?
Here, how many years are there? 2021, 2022, right?
Yes, sir.
So client asks you to show that 2020 also in this filter. I want to show that 2020 as well.
Okay.
What can we do?
Select all. First of all, you have to select all checkbox. All checkbox.
Both we are
Oh,
getting
it's not showing.
2020. I want to get the
Is
2020 here. I want to get the 2020 here. I want to get the 2020 in this filter. Now you clear?
Can we go back
sir.
and choose the data from the filter like that?
Yeah, first they can give you this kind of visualization. You need to be download it from server. Once you download it, so he is asking 2020. Where exactly 2020 is missing? Why it's not getting? You need to be troubleshoot it, right? Why 2020 is not getting here, right? You can go for check that sheet level. You can directly go with sheet level. So year filter is there, right? Go for edit this filter, check it. Can we have any options? Can we see the 2020 here? No. So where we
No.
can go for them? Go with the go for data source level. For data source level, and we have that extract. So we are using the extract. Try to check it. Edit this. So we have any filters in the extract. While extracting, is there any filters? Then edit it. Okay, here we have the data. While extracting, we are taking only 2021, 2022. You can go for check this 2020. Click OK. Click OK. Now you can go for check your dashboard. Are you getting 2020? This is what we need to be know that. Okay, where exactly the 2020 is missing. How can we bring that into the visualization? How can we bring that into the visualization? Clear? This kind of troubleshoot you need to be do that. Okay, where exactly the 2020 is missing, you need to be identified and try to be bring into the visualization.
If we want any time like this, we have to go to data source only, right?
If you did it extract level, then you need to go with extract level. Okay, if you are doing that extract filter, then you need to go with the data source level and make it as change. So what we did, we filter on the extract level. That's why we can go for data source level and delete extract. We can go for add it here. We can go for add it here. So where exactly you are filtering, based on that you can go for select. Currently I used at my extract filter. That's why I came to that extract and I'm doing the changes. If you do something at report level, if you do it something at report level, then you need to be change the report level itself. I will show you tomorrow. So how can we do that? Okay, for today itself we need to be know that. Try to go for take the screenshot of it and try to build the same visualization. Try to build the same visualization, use the same kind of filters and post it in the group. Build the same kind of visualization, use the same filters and post it in the group. Okay, can you do that? Yeah, work on it today. Tomorrow we can go for Siddharth. Maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, no sessions. So Monday onwards we can connect it. I'm planning to go for Tirumala this weekend. Okay, try to be work on it. Come, try to build this visualization. Okay, any questions? And build the dashboard as well. Put the your data like this. Okay, create a dashboard and put your filters in top of it and try to be check these filters and the related data you are getting in the visualization or not. You can check it. Okay. Yeah, thank you everyone. See you tomorrow. See you on Monday. Meanwhile, if I have any time, I can connect. Okay, thank you. Hello.